In the box you get the Philips Norelco All-in-One Trimmer, a storage bag, the user guide, a USB charging cable, a nose trimmer head and 8 combs. So 1mm, 2mm, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12 and 16mm. First off, I was really surprised by its size. It's almost as slim as my one blade shaver and about the same weight. In hand it feels compact, well balanced and easy to use. The body is mostly plastic, but honestly it's good quality plastic. It feels soft to the touch and comfortable to hold, especially with the non-slip grips on the back and the front. So my first impression of this trimmer are very good. It's compact, light and very easy to maneuver. Everything feels solid and well put together. Alright, let's put it to the test. So I did 3 different tests. First, I shaped my beard using the trimmer with no combs. Second, I trimmed my beard with the 7mm comb. And third, I buzzed all my hair, what I wouldn't do for you guys, seriously. Let's start with the first test, shaping my beard with no guard. So for this first test, the blades felt really smooth. I didn't get any nicks or irritation, even with no comb. The trimmer is also the perfect size for shaping a beard. It's compact, precise and very easy to control. It did a great job. Let's continue with the second test, trimming my beard with the 7mm comb. So for this second test, I was really impressed by this little machine. It's surprisingly powerful and I didn't need to go over the same spot again and again. It made the whole trim really fast. The cut was precise, even and consistent all over and it didn't pull or snag at all. The combs are also really good quality and feel solid. The locking system is very secure, so you can be confident you're going to get the exact cut you want. Now for the third test, I went all in and buzzed all my hair. So for this third test, the trimmer really impressed me. For its size, the power is seriously good. It had no problem cutting through my longer hair, and I didn't need to go over the same area multiple times. It never got clogged or bogged down by long hair, which is honestly impressive for a $20 machine. The cut was powerful, even and fast, and it felt so smooth the whole time. Overall, I'm really impressed with this trimmer, especially for the price. It's powerful, compact, and very easy to use. It handled the beard work and most importantly, a full haircut better than I expected. This is perfect for you guys if you are looking for one simple tool for both your beard and your hair. For the price, this is one of the best value trimmers out there, and I will definitely recommend it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Ciao guys.